Some new words I'm going to share today in English as well as in Bishnupriya Manipuri. They are call. Call means dahani. 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 Kill means marani. 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 Lose means mangoni or mangkorani. Mangoni or mangkorani. Both are correct. Break means bagani. 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 Bit means kilani. 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 Heart means dukkhopani or hinpani. Dukkhopani or hinpani. Both are correct. Dukkhopani or hinpani.
Homa channel, here I am Tapati Singha from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. As I have mentioned in the thumbnail, today I am going to share some important structures of sentences in Bishnupriya Manipuri, such as you are called, you have called, he is killed, he has killed. This type of important structures I'm going to share today, so be with me till the end. The first structure is you are called. Tore dahesi. You are called by them. Tore tanu dahesi. Them means tanu. Okay, you means ti. Called means dahesi. Are called means dahesi. Okay. Call means dahani. Are called means dahesi. You are called by them. Tore tanu dahesi. You have called them. You have called them. Ti tanure dahesat. It's clear? Ti tanure dahesat. I repeat. Ti tanure dahesat. Or we can say this way. You are called by your children. Here, you means ti, are called means dahesi. You are called tore dahesi by your children. Your means tor, children means shoshumara. So it will be, you are called by your children. Tore tor shoshumarai dahesi. Tore tor shoshumarai dahesi. You have called your children. Ti tor shoshumarare dahesat. Ti tor shoshumarare dahesat. The second structure is he is killed. Okay? He is killed. He means ta. Killed means maresi. Is killed means maresi. He is killed. Tare maresi. He is killed by a man. Manuagoi tare marese. Not maresi, because singular number. He is killed by a man. Tare manuagoi marese. He has killed a man. He has killed a man. Ta manua gore marese. Ta manua gore marese. The third structure is I am lost. Me manga porasuga. I am lost in you. Me torbitore manga porasuga. One more is I have lost you. Me tore mangoresu. I have lost me mangoresu. I have lost you. Me tore mangoresu. The next sentence is she is broken. She is broken. Tei bage porasega. In this sentence, she is broken means mentally. Mentally says broken. Okay. So tei bage porasega. She has broken. She has broken. Tei bage se. Tei bage se. She has broken a thing. She has broken a cup. She has broken a plate in that way. she has broken they bagese. The next structure is you are beaten by Ratan. Tore Rotone kilase. Tore Rotone kilase. Beaten. Beat means kilani. Are beaten means kilase. By Roton. Rotone kilase. You have beaten Roton. Ti Rotonore kilasot. Ti Rotonore kilasot. You have beaten. Ti kilasot. You have beaten ti kilasot. Kare Rotonore. Okay. You have beaten him. Ti tare kilasot. You have beaten Roton. Ti Rotonore kilasot. The next sentence, and this is the last one. Rina is hurt. Hurt means dukhopana or hinpana. Rina is hurt. Rina dukhopase or Rina hinpase. Rina has hurt. Rinai dukhodese or Rinai
hindese, dukhodese or hindese.
Both are correct. Rina has hurt. Rinai dukhodese or Rinai hindese. Rina has hurt a man. Rinai manu agore. Amen. Manu agore. A means agore. Man means manu. So it will be a man means manu agore. Rina has hurt a man. Rinai manua gore dukkho dese or Rinai manua gore hindese. So these are the important and interesting structures I have shared today in Bishnupriya Manipuri as well as in English. So be with me always to learn a new language, that is Bishnupriya Manipuri. You can learn this language by practicing 5 minutes daily. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching me. Let me conclude today. Meet you again. Take care. Dhanavad. Namaskar.